If you are looking for a way to generate a passive income, mining cryptocurrency is a great option, and Mining City makes it easy to get started. At Mining City, you can mine Bitcoin Vault, a fast-growing cryptocurrency, every day. You can withdraw when you want or reinvest what you earn and then earn even more passive income every month. For example, current historic results show a return of just under $4 mined per day, or around $120 per month if you choose the $600 package. Mining on the silver package worth $2,400 shows historic results of more than $15 per day, or around $415 per month. This continues for 1,100 days, and every time you choose to add another package to your account, your 1,100 days will reset, combining your mining power and extending your agreement. The Mining City network is growing well, with over 300,000 members, and has great partnerships with big names in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency community. On top of all this, you also have the option to share Mining City with others, like I'm sharing with you now, and get rewarded with a generous compensation plan, up to 10% commission per referral, as well as a ranking system and binary system should you choose to share your experience with others. I'm ready to help you get started with Mining City. Contact me with any questions and I will gladly assist you.